Hello everyone, I'm Suchitra Sahu. Today I'm going to share with you about my English speaking journey. You know, I was studying in an Odia medium school where I was not getting opportunity to talk in English or to learn English and to speak. In this video, I'm using two languages, Hindi and English. You know, my dear friends, it was my dream that how to talk in English. I was thinking it is a very big task. I never speak English. I can't, make friends with others because so many friends were there. They were studying in English medium. So that's why I was feeling little bit nervous. Even Odia medium students, always we are acquainted in Odia. And of course, Hindi we can speak and we were speaking also. तो हिंदी तो बोल सकते हैं, बात कर सकते हैं, तो इंग्लिश में पूरा फ्लुएंसी कैसे बात करेंगे, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा. तो देन व्हाट हैपेंड, okay, one day by day I have started my studies, 10th, after that 12th, then plus 3 also, graduation. After completion of my graduation and completion of my postgraduate in classical dance and music, I got an opportunity in an English medium school, CBSE, where I started to work as an assistant teacher. There, what happened, I was managing just Hindi and English, and slowly what happened, the environment was completely English. When I have joined there, I started to speak English, but it was completely broken. But I was managing with Hindi. Hindi से थोड़ा बहुत manage हो रहा था. But at that time, I was completely fish out of water. What to do, what not to do. But the director sir, principal sir helped me a lot. Mr. M. Ranjan Rao, who was giving training, he suggested me that you go for simple to complex and given a lot of very good suggestions that how to practice English well. Then, my dear friend, after joining there, I got many opportunities to attend the seminars and to participate. Then, I started to practice. Initially, I was practicing a small topic and presenting something in front of few members. इसके बाद से मेरा इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग जर्नी शुरू हो गया. इसके बाद मैं क्या की, एवरी डे आई वाज प्रेजेंटिंग अ टॉपिक, अ स्मॉल टॉपिक इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीवन. हेजिटेंसी भी दूर हो गया. Then slowly what happened in front of everyone when I have started to speak, at that time personality, body language, everything developed a lot, and I observed myself that yes, something is there. It means if you want to speak English, you need a proper environment. It means how can you create environment if nobody will be there? Then what you have to do? You must practice in front of mirror, number one. Then try to collect vocabs and then make your sentences, and you think about a topic and then speak something. And if anybody is speaking in Hindi with you, then just you reply in English. Why? You have to learn in English. And your friend, always listen. If you listen more, then you can speak more. A good listener is a good speaker. That's why, my dear friend, my suggestion is to you that you create such type of environment. It means if somebody is there or not, you don't bother for that. You speak continuously, you make your video, you talk to your friends, even in front of mirror, you practice. My dear friend, I was practicing English by making so many videos. I was watching that, observing where I am doing mistakes, and again I am deleting that video, and again I was making. So in this way, I was practicing even small words, small topic. I was thinking about the topic, and I was preparing my sentences, and continuously I was speaking on that topic. So in this way, you can practice well. So my dear friend, English बोलना कोई मुश्किल बात नहीं है, लेकिन इंग्लिश एनवायरनमेंट आपको क्रिएट करना होगा, एंड स्लोली आपका डेवलपमेंट क्या होगा. डेफिनेटली you can remove your hesitancy, you can use your body language. After that, you can develop your personality through speaking English. इसलिए आपको स्पीकिंग करने के लिए थोड़ा सा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, but only 1 or 2 months are enough to speak good English. Okay, so here I hope this video definitely inspire you. तो इसीलिए इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए कोई इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ना ज़रूरी है, वो तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि इंग्लिश मीडियम students only can speak English. It is not like that, my dear friend. No medium. It is your interest. If you want to speak English, then you must practice every day, like your language, our mother tongue, like every day you practice and take it easy and feel normal and start to speak. Okay, in this way, if you will practice, then definitely you can speak good English. Okay, this is my suggestion. English is not so difficult to talk, but little practice is very essential. Okay, so listen English this regularly. Thank you. All the best to you. Bye bye.